Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. I greet the full house. How na dey? Also na dey fine, na do well. So na take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. My people, na our sister Sandra Aigbogun, I come congratulate. Sandra Aigbogun, I congratulate you, my sister. When I see your video, I say yes. Omo no mocking. I really love wetin I see. My brothers and sisters, e no easy. She not there abroad o, Naija je. Ona enwe aga anwina tabe we mi jo talk come. I appreciate you, my love. Emi ni wa dere ni, I really love her, my sister. Omo no enegbo him. Omo no enegbe. It's not easy. For person wey still dey Naija, or you talk also a boy o ma pa ba ni re o ma je we bo e wo ni ona kun ire. I love wetin I see, my darling. I appreciate. I love it. You get a like me ni there. My people, e no easy, na truth. I gbọ́ den at matter. And one thing wey I can't see wey Sandra can't talk. Or when wa e gbọ́ vie ba mo no na wa re gbọ́ vo Ruda way me no boy gbe ohun I remember that time when Sandra dey do film. Where I think where Pot of Life. I remember that time. Oyegere we nota wa re gbovo Ruda way. Emi no jo boy ya ho no okbia no ho no when yen gbovo we rudu udo bo wa we. Ora hiranija ba no roke wa wa. Okbia no ho no we what a walking one boy yon son ebe logo brother we ya wo we sister we ya wo we na be tian we uda wo mo agbese onye ni ase bi o because omo no ewe ara win na ta ujo mo toru dede na we omo no Sandra Aigbogun ifie I cut am for you when egbe congratulations my sister.
So this more people like me know where I get to talk. First of all, I want to give God Almighty special thanks. Like I know that I want to thank God. He has looked at me and sent me up for Salubua. So say God put my mouth for all my body. You know, reach me to tell God say thank you because I be example. Like people supposed to use me to make example. Waiting na bona like Sadoka and in my name. Because if I remember where I for the come, the journey bono yokola. Osie do ona be kakaka. For this life, anything you do for this life, no underrate yourself, don't lose hope. Whatever worth doing is worth doing well. Nobody will nothing make harm. God no they look who fine, they help person, no they look who ugly, no they look anything. So family, you let your heart good. As you down that one, don't ever try it. Don't plan for anybody downfall. If you see person do something, follow and happy. Because that person page there. So this life now page by page. If your page is page 25, and you see your mates where page they page 5, where don't achieve something. You remember say if your page where they 25, if you reach so, people page they 30. Make those people wait they 30, make they not cause envy you, make they cause kill you. What do you do person? Karma, they all over you. So anybody do something, follow her happy. Just say, oh, Saloba no worry, no be worry. That's why they go, they go, get one parable where many people they talk. Where Bowake no fe or Rupi by a battle woman. But in Asia now, Oma Rupi by Ubanaro, who are never na Bobinia Salopo. Who are never the Nepa. You not support where you are beg all day. So my people, I don't know what I want to talk. Me Sandra Aigbogun. Where I for the come, I thank my mama well. I thank my mama well. Because I thank God. If not the only prayer where they bring come out where your mama will bring breast, they pray for you alone. If most of us will say, yeah, we know, but deep inside us, we know, say, I thank my mama well. I thank my sisters. I thank my brothers. After I thank God, finish, I can't thank my family. I can't thank my fans. Emaya FF ni mo sandoka yo yon. Emaya FF no yo bone sandoka. Emaya FF no to mo nevera. Emaya FF no igbe yi wame. No is support me ni dia wu. Ni abeti ele dia go I don't get anything o. Afa mama ije pardon mo. Ine mi ropa. Iye de ri egube. I don't know so what it tanku na. Unu wa die na eje. Emaya ku emu wa iye de gbe ye ku emu wa ke ya wu. So this one are the little gifts where I give myself. And to make myself proud, to make sure say my pikin go there where he dey for that abroad, so he go there happy say na mama be that. I no fit enjoy everything. I no fit enjoy my name finish. I no fit enjoy my fans finish. Anywhere where I enjoy and reach, my pikin go continue. I no believe any of my fans, any of my lovers go see my son, go say I be Sandoka son. Make they don't open door for her. Oh my God. Also no na mama gbona e na build dey ni oma. Na we no joke. O ma jora ma we na wo ojo every day. People where they do good thing, and you go there now, I mean, woman, you are well done. So I beg, whatever you do for this life, always remember tomorrow, because if you not call your to no. Anything where you wait, remember your picking go carry on. So I don't really know what I want to become my belly. It's a look at it's a look at talker, it's a look at balanimo, it's a look at here, it's a look at here coca, it's a look at here mango, me up pepe. Now, I own the house. It's so kawe keka okay here, everything out. I may go wa. Imari azigo. Imari mi nija wu rudigo. But if possible, or sigo koko meni ya bowa. Only no banana bola den waya wu yoboni me this sandoka. Ka ezi wa me ko bo giese. Deve de nija ya komuwa. Deve de nija ya gegbe we gbega me be here la bia ma ome. Tears of joy. No day where I pray, no they come out from my eyes. I can remember one time where I strand for house. I was having 1,000 naira in my account. I strand because I had person give person money. When me after ya bowa, me na ya wo yo bono mati today. Me you money well okay, give me for inside my money where I give you. Me ya mowa. O marry me. Is a so you give you so the way o wa. They give me quick notice from my house where I been. The man be oya mowa in a 1,000 naira account in based on Sanobo and Oja no you turn on your so. And I know why we do yes, no but why I go street yes. Or job we have so papa no be na pa wa o e man na de gbe ye ko yari o wa awa o se na choice no na to wa go o wa yi gaje o Sanoka no worry e de na give mo se ti wa delestimated already e pe me estimate wa ga se na wa dorere ina ya bo wa Sanobo wa ya zulu gagbe se me ya pa Sanobo se ya po me ya be ya pepe ni mo go me no ma. Use me as an example. Take repair your life. Not lose hope. Not give up. God will this way. So far, anything way they do, there's no way. Not be me that small girl we call the Adlam that where I be like wish, I black, I ugly die. Don't be me be this one. Hey mo, even more one nice and don't cannot Thank you very much. Thank you. I want to appreciate all my fans all over the world. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me, for being there. God will bless you. God will continue to support your business. Kemi no wariya wu. O salobo ara oga support wa oga pasa you wa. Quality ni we na salobo a bless wa. Ke no mo me no ma ke no ma mo me no ma. O salobo a fi agu wa. Why I was. So this house now a gift to myself and my son. Etiosa say Etiosa, this is our gift. This is for us. So I need you to always be proud of mommy, okay? I will never bring shame to you. I will never bring disgrace to you. Mommy is so proud of you. I'm so happy that I'm your mother. God will bless you. Etiosa say God will bless you. Thank you so much. This is our gift. This is for me, for you, to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. Keep supporting me and keep praying for me. So I love if I see my call they talk. I when I little time in the parents and I don't get what I want to talk again. But I just want to text and I thank God say I don't do that. I don't after 21 years when industry, I don't do that. Now I will not tell you well now. Tell you well now. Many people say, okay.
Emi no ye koya ni emena mena ya ye keni mekede ina be ye keni gibe ye bedene e ko igari ni eme